my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press that bell notification so you can be notified every single time I post. So yeah, I've been MIA for a little bit, but I still been trading. So I've been doing my own capital. You know what happened with my forex funds. So I've been trading my own capital, and I took a trade on GJ, and I just want to break it down for you guys and try to get back in the groove of being consistent on YouTube. So just bear with me. Alright guys, so it was on GJ and it was I don't remember what day it was. I think it was Tuesday, but let me be sure. Alright, okay, so it was around this area here. So it was Tuesday the 10th around London session. So let's do bar replay. Alright, so this is what I did. I was looking at a 30-minute chart, and I saw this gap right here, and that's when the market opened on Sunday at 5 o'clock. So it did this gap here, and it didn't quite fill it. So what I did was I saw consolidation right here. This is support turn resistance. All right. And this was also a little minor support. All right, so like I said, I'm waiting for the market to come and fill this gap and possibly retest these highs. So we on a 30-minute chart, and I'm only waiting for a breakout of structure. All right, so I'm waiting for something like this, retest, continuation. So I waited for the market to break out. So let's show you. Breakout and close. Okay, it did all that. Okay, so now we're getting our breakout. Okay, this was the breakout. Let me show you. Market broke out here. It closed above. So once the market retested right here, I got in, as you can see on my MT4, and I was aiming for a take profit of up here, but I eventually got out. I did not stay in this trade until it finished the move. I got out early, but I did have my take profit set to this previous high. Alright, so let's just watch the market and see what it did. It played around a little bit. It consolidated for sure. And I can show you another way you could have got in this trade. Wait for another breakout. Wait for another breakout of the 30-minute. It went to the take profit. It went there. It just took a couple hours to get there, but it did. And you know I'm a scalper, so once I seen it getting up there, I just went ahead and took the money and ran. Okay, so it broke out again. This is the breakout. Closed above, retested, continuation, and it went up. It continued. It went up and hit my TP, and I was just so happy about that. I still trade supply and demand, but I also been trading the breakout up the 30-minute candle, breakout and retest, and that's been working for me too. Both has been working. And you know, whatever works for you, you know, just give it a go. And GJ is steady. It's still in a downtrend basically, but once it breaks, I would say once GJ breaks above this zone here, we can look for up. We can look for the market to keep going up. Keep going up. Higher highs and higher lows to test all of these previous highs over here. See this one? Look for a test of that one, that one. That'll be but once it breaks above this zone here, this area here, that's a break of structure to test these highs up here. But for now we're still in a downtrend, but I would not be looking for sales until this high is touched. Right now I'm looking for buys in GJ. Break and retest. This structure right here is just so nice. Look at that. Break. Keeping higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher low. Now this one, if it breaks above that, we're gonna have a higher high. Then we'll come down, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. Just keep going like that, guys. There's really no right way to trade the market. Everybody have different strategies, and you know, just stay consistent. Just stay consistent. Let me see where GJ is now. Currently, that the market is live. So yeah, you see this trend line. We have broken above this zone, but you can look for a sell here. Because this 4-hour rejection, they could have took out liquidity. This 4-hour rejection took out liquidity. It's a lot of liquidity up here. Right there. It's a lot of sellers that was in these moves. Swing traders that probably were still holding. And they just got stopped out if their stop loss was above this range here. So we didn't quite close. We didn't quite close above, but yeah, so we're still in this range here. So just be careful. I mean, you can look for sells if we get a closure below. Get a closure below this 4-hour candle, and then the market just starts coming down, do a retest, continuation back down to this zone here. Yeah, because this is a gap left in the market right here. This is a gap left in the market, and it needs to be filled. Okay, and there's also liquidity down here. Okay, there's also liquidity down here. So yeah, just be careful. You know, I'm a scalper, so I'm only looking for short-term moves. I'm not holding to come way back down here, or I'm not finna get in a trade at this area here and ride it all the way up there. I'll look for short opportunities to get in, get out, in, out, in, out, in, out. That's just the life of a scalper. So yeah, I'll try to be more consistent. Just bear with me. In the meantime, you guys, peace.